How to turn off precise location on Instagram. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off precise location on your Instagram app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, press and hold your Instagram app icon and this will show up. So here you have to tap on this eye symbol here in the corner, bottom corner, and the app info will open. And now here under notification you will see permissions. Open it, and in permissions here you will see the location. Open it, and here you will get the option to allow only while using the app, ask every time, and deny. So you can select any one of these two, and that will turn off the precise location. And will if you choose this, it will ask you every time if you want to show your location or not. So this is how you can turn off precise location on Instagram. Thanks for watching.